friends. Yesterday we talked about the word more than, which means bigger or greater than. And the day before that we talked about the word equal, which also means the same as. So go ahead and grab some counters. You need 2 different kinds of counters. If you happen to have something that is 2-sided like mine, that works perfect, okay? So once you do that, go ahead and come back and you can push play again to continue the lesson with us, okay? So this is what I'd like for you guys to do with us, okay? Go ahead and count out a set of 8, okay? So I'm going to use my red counters as my first set, okay? Remember, when you count, I want you to count it as you move it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? If you need a little more time, go ahead and pause it, okay? Now I'm going to have you count out with your second set of objects a set of 6, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Now partner them up with the objects in your first set. All right, so when I do that, I can see that my yellow set is shorter than my red set. So we would say my yellow set is less than my red set, okay? Now I'm going to look and see how many are missing partners. So I can see 1, 2. That's how I know that my yellow set has 2 less or 2 fewer counters than my red set, okay? So now what I want you to do is I want you to make your first set of objects have 10. I don't want you to clear these away. I want you to think, is 10 bigger than 8 or smaller than 8? If it's smaller than 8, you're going to take counters away. If it's bigger than 8, you're going to add some more counters. So I already know this is 8. I'm going to count on 9, 10, okay? All right, now I would like for you to make your second set of objects only have 3. So I'm going to start down here, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to take all of these away because 3 is smaller than 6, so I had to take some away. All right, so now look, I have 3 in my second set and 10 up here. So what could we say about our sets? Starting with this one, that my set of 3 is smaller than my set of 10, or this is fewer than this, or less than, okay? Those are all different ways to kind of say the same thing. So now let's see how many fewer yellow ones I have than red ones. The way we figure that out is we partner them up and we count how many don't have a partner, and that's going to tell me how many fewer I have in this set than in this set. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 fewer counters over here than I do over here. All right, now you can clear your space. I'm going to show you a set of objects, and I want you to make a set that has fewer than mine, okay? Okay, so on this one, it doesn't matter if your objects are mixed up, okay? So look at how many I have in my set. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many did I have? 5. That's right. If I have to go back and recount, then I don't quite have that concept of cardinality where I'm being able to remember how many I just counted. So that's something we want to make sure we have too. Okay, so can you make a set that has fewer than mine? You can pause it if you need to do that real quick. Okay, so there's a lot of different answers. I could make a set of 1. 1 is smaller than that one, right? Okay, I can make a set of 2. Is 2 smaller than the set of 5? Yes, it is. So that answer would work too. Look at this one. I have a set of 3. 3 is also smaller than 5. And I have a set of 4. 4 is smaller than 5. Look at all the different answers I could get. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right answers. As long as your set had smaller than 5, excuse me, I had a tickle. As long as your set has smaller than 5, then that counts. That works. Your set has fewer than mine. Try one more while I get some water. I'm going to show you a new set. Okay? I'm going to count them while you watch and listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, can you make a set that has fewer than mine, less than mine? Go ahead and do it. All right. Okay, so if your set has 0, 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6 items in your set, or even 7, then that is all the correct answer. Good job. All right. You guys have a different seesaw activity to do. My in-person friends had this one to do today, so I was going to have you guys do a little bit of this with me before you leave and go do your seesaw activity, okay? So on this page, in each box, I see 2 numbers, and I want to circle the one that is less, okay? So you try to tell me the answer before I say it, okay? So in this box, I have the number 10 and 1. Which one is smaller? 1. Good job. I have 8 and 4. Which one is smaller? 4. What about 5 and 9? Yep, 5. I have 7 and 8. Which one's smaller? Good, 7. 3 and 2. Good, 2 is smaller than 3, is less than 3. What about 6 and 4? Good, 4 is the smaller number. Which one's less, 3 or 7? You're right, it's 3. Which one is less, 6 and 2? 2, good. Between 6 and 10, which number is smaller? And last one, 1 and 5. Good, 1 is the smaller number. Great job.